Good morning. It's almost noon on Thursday, and we just set the last block on this beautiful Kodah wall. I absolutely love this product. But the main reason I'm shooting this today is to talk about what needs to go on behind the wall. The part nobody ever sees, but the part that is really the most critical to proper wall construction. Two things: drainage and reinforcement. If your contractor is not properly installing some GeoGrid, then you are not getting what you're paying for on the wall. We've still got a lot of stone left to go in here. As you can see, you should have a minimum of 12 inches. We're pushing 2 feet everywhere on this wall, some places even more. But the GeoGrid installation needs to be backfilled from the back of the wall out to tension the grid, make sure there's no wrinkles in it. Everything needs to lay nice and flat and smooth. Honestly, it doesn't cost that much more to install this. What it does is it takes soil, drainage stone, and wall, makes it all one unit to where you don't just have your wall or your structural backfill holding. The entire thing becomes structural backfill. So as we're coming up, we're benching back, compacting the soil, installing our drainage stone, installing our GeoGrid. So in essence, instead of this being the wall, now this entire area is a wall holding back. Makes a much stronger product and gets you what you're paying for. A wall that's going to outlast you. So it's one of the things I invest in every year, is continuing education, making sure that we are staying up on the front of industry standards and doing better than industry standards. So if you want a quality project like this done, check us out, riverscapeswv.com. We'll have a nice Friday update coming tomorrow, show you what we got going on around the back. But, thank you for checking us out, and stay tuned.